Welcome to Flip Lesson 52 for the 5th grade. Today we're going to look at place values. And as we look at place values, we're going all the way up to the billions this time. When it comes to place values, we follow a pretty simple pattern, starting with ones, going to tens, going to hundreds, and then our comma signifies we're moving to a higher level, right? Comma, thousands, right? 10,000, 100,000. Another comma, moving up to that next level. Millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Then, of course, the new concept is add one more comma, and now we're in billions. So as we look at the digits on the screen, question may come up saying, what place value is the 5? And so you would find the 5 and say, okay, that's 5. That is 5, which is in the 10 millions column, right? And really, in the end, represents this number, right? So we have that first. Now, as we look at place values, we can start naming them and looking at them and using them in ways that we're already familiar with. What value is the 4 in the number 234,567,001? Right, so we find the 4. All right, we got 1 comma, 2 comma. That's going to put us at 4 million. 4 million. So we have that. Next idea, we see taking a number and expressing it completely in words. We have the number 365,400,000. So quickly we can see how that should look. 365,400,000. So we have that. Then, of course, we want to be able to go the other direction also. Right? So when we see it in words, we see 700 billion. Right? So we look at that idea, that covers our billions. Right? 40 million. 40 million. 6,000. So 6,000, and then 25. Right, so we have this nice large number working our way that way. And finally, while most of those ideas should be pretty review concepts, we get the idea of expanded notation is also an element we want to be able to work with, right? So as we work with expanded notation, we want to be able to say, okay, if this is the 3 in the millions, that's the same as 3 times 1 million plus 4, which is in the 100,000s, which is going to be 4 times 100,000. And as I bring the solution over, we start to see what expanded notation is going to look like now that we're moving into the millions, and you could also have problems getting up to the billions. Right? So 3 times 1 million, right? Parentheses plus, parentheses 4 times 100,000, parentheses plus 5 times. Okay. So we have these different things. All right, I'll leave you with this sample problem then, asking you to write this number using words, and then to write it also in expanded notation. So that's our first look at place values up to through the billions. That is lesson 52.